Okay, guys, I need you guys to help in the comments because I don't understand this at all. So, guys, can you please comment and tell me what the hell they mean? So, this comment right here, and then it says, like pedophilia. Pedophilia is like a 60-year-old man or woman attracted to like a 5-year-old kid, okay? What does that's disgusting. Yes, it is. It's very disgusting. It's illegal. But what does it have to do with trans? What they comment this on, let me show you what they commented on.
April 6, 2019.
Today is July 19, 2022.
So that was a video of me, how I looked in 2019 compared to how I looked in 2022. How does that have anything to do with pedophilia? It's literally just me. And no one else in it. It's literally just me. I was 2019, and now, in 2019 I was 19. 2022, now, I'm 22 years old. So, like, how does that have anything to do with anything else? It's not about my sexuality. It's not about anything like that. It's literally about gender. Like, I don't know why people always base things off that. Like, I get that all the time, or like people will be like when I go live and they'll be like, oh, you're trans, so you support pedophilia and all that thing. How did that have anything to do with that? Like, I'm talking about my gender compared to anything like that. No, I think that's disgusting. You know, if I had a kid, do you think I would want someone to date my little kid? No. Like, what the fuck? Like, I don't understand. I feel like haters just go so low and they don't even know what to say anymore that they just make stupid shit up. But comment down below. I hate people. You know, people just need to stop being negative. Just let people live their life. You know, I'm not hurting anyone else. I'm not harming anyone else. You know, if you dislike my video, keep scrolling. That easy.